Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a job alert on your LinkedIn profile so that you get notified once there is a job matching your profile or a keyword is available on LinkedIn. So you can set up this alert on a daily basis or even a weekly basis. So let's see on my screen how you can actually do this. So you can see on my screen that I'm going to search for Django developer. So I'm also a Django developer, so I always like to search for Django developer roles. And in the city, I would prefer to type in Germany. So you can see the Django developer and Germany is selected, but then I'm also provided with a lot of other filters. So you can see there is a filter for date posted. So I would like to see only the latest ones. So I can select past 24 hours here and click show results, and then the experience level. So I would prefer to select the entry level, associate, mid senior level, internship as well, or I can just leave internship for now. So these three are not matching my skill set, so I would not select these three options. And then I click on show results. So you can see these green items are the filters which are already applied. Yeah. So the next one is the company. I do not have any specific requirement for getting job alerts from a particular company, so I won't select this. Then going to the next one, which is the job type. So I'm interested in looking for only the full-time job vacancies. So I will select this one and click show results. So you can see that even this job type gets selected in a green color. Then going to the remote, I'm not interested in the remote job, so I won't select that. Then going to the next one is LinkedIn feature. So you can select whether you want to see only the jobs where you can directly apply from LinkedIn, or you are also open to apply to jobs where you have to register probably on the company's website. So it depends on you. So you can also, yeah, you can also select something called under 10 applicants, which means it will show you only those jobs where there is less than 10 applicants currently on that particular vacancy, which I think is a really good feature. So this basically means that there are not many applicants for that particular job, and hence increasing your chances to get hired into that job. So probably you can select this, and I would also prefer to select the last one. So which means um, show the jobs where there is someone who is already in your network working in that company. So this is beneficial because you can then reach out to that person and ask him for a recommendation. So it's up to you whether you want to keep this selected or not. So I'm just keeping this selected and click show results. Then finally, I think that's all, but we can also click on all filters, which gives you all these filters again. But I think there are a little bit more option here that you can select. So if I go further down, um, yes, I can also see that there is a location option. So I don't see all the locations because all these filters which I have already applied uh, is applicable only for this particular location. Yeah, so that's why I'm not able to see all of the locations in Germany. Then I also get the option to select the industry. So if you are willing to work in a particular industry, for example, computer software or information technology, then you can just select those options. And then you also have the job function, so engineering or information technology, and then title as well. So if you are willing to be a full stack engineer, then select that, or if you want to be an architect, then of course you can select that option. So I'll leave all of these options as it is and just go with the selections which I made earlier. Yeah, so I think that's all, and I can click show results. So you can see on the left hand side there is a list of all the jobs which meet these criteria. So at the moment I think there are only two jobs which meets the criteria that I specified. and this is a very important button. So here you can see that job alert off. So if I click this, then it shows me a dialog box where it says Django developer in Germany, which is basically the search which I performed. And it also says, it also lists me all the filters that I applied. So it says past 24 hours, associate, mid senior level, and 4 more filters. So these are the filters which we applied while searching for this particular job. And then you get the option of selecting the frequency of these alerts. So you can either get the alert on a daily basis, this is the default option, and I can also change it to weekly. So if I select weekly, that means I get these job alerts once a week. And you also get an option to select the mode of notification. So you can also specify whether you want to get the alert only through email or only through the notification, or you want to get the alert from both these channels, that is email as well as notification. So I prefer to get the alert using both email and notification, so I can select this one and I can click on save. So I think that's all. It says the search alert got saved, and yeah, so I will start receiving notification here as well as an email every week telling me about all the jobs which are available in Germany that matches my keyword which I searched for. I hope this video was really helpful for you. If yes, then do not forget to click the like button and also share it with your friends. um, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do subscribe it now so that I can create similar videos that can help you get a job in Germany.